IXL Algebra 2, Algebra 2, DD8, probability of independent and dependent events. What's the probability of landing on a 7 and then landing on a 7? Well, I believe this is a 1/3 chance here to land on a 7. And then, that means you're doing it again. 1/3 times 1/3, which is 1/9. All you fraction fans. Without putting the first card back, you pick a second card at random. So you're going to pick a 6 and then a number less than 8. So to pick a 6 is 1/4. Less than 8 would be 2 out of 3 possibilities. 1/6 for all you fraction fans. What's the probability of getting tails and then tails? 1/2 and then 1/2. 1/4. Let's try to speed things up. Get a higher number without putting the first card back. So it's actually impossible because it's 1 out of 3 and then the 4 is gone. So 0. What a funny question there. Ew. 9 is 1 out of 4. Divisor of 80, 1 out of 3. So 1 out of 12. Only 8 goes into 80. All you divisor fans. Odd and then even. I think it's just 1/4. They're both 1/2. We just did this question. Hello repeats. A prime number. 5 and 7 are prime. And then 1/2. So I believe it's 1/3. 5 and 7 are your prime numbers. Only 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Here, let me do this one. Oh, you put it back. Look at this tricky question there. Prime numbers are 2 and 3. So 1/2. And then a divisor of 32. 3 of them are. 1, 2, and 4 are divisors. So 3/8. There are 6 numbers here. Just be aware. Odd number is 1/2, and then 1/2. That's just ridiculous. Okay. Yes. Okay. That's the third time they asked me that question. Did they do this to you too? Without putting the card back, you pick a second card. A 6 is 1 out of 6. And then less than 7 would be 4 out of 5. I think 2/15ths, if you do that in your head. A 4, 1 out of 7. And then a 6, 1 out of 6, 1 out of 42. One third and then 1/3, 1/9. Only one even number out of 3. There are 5 numbers here. Less than 8, 3 out of 5. Ugh, this is to think a little. And then a prime number. Oh, well, you don't have to replace it. Prime number, that one and that one. 2 out of 5. So 6 out of 25. Three out of 7. Without putting the first card back. 2 out of 6. So I believe that's 1 out of 7. When all the smoke clears, 1 out of 7. 6-sided die 2 times. Ew. Factors of 40. 1, 2, 4, and 5. So 1/6 times 4/6. 1/9, I believe. Let's do one more problem. Odd number, I believe that's a half. Without putting the first card back, there's 7 numbers remaining, and you took an odd out. There are 3 odds, so 3/14. All right, you just have to go up to 89 for this one. It's your lucky day, 89. Bye.